What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Pikachu Labubu. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyelids. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start with the one on the left. So we're going to start from the very top. We want to bend this down, go across, and just curl that up on the end. And then from the top we're going to move this over towards the right side and do the same thing. Coming out in the opposite direction and just curling that up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelids. So we're going to draw a half oval. From the outside, I want to step in, so we create a fold, come down towards the bottom of the eye, round this out, and just tuck that in along the inside. Let's line this up on the right. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, step in, curve this around, and then bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add some highlights. On the top left side, start with the left, we're going to draw a circle going in underneath the eyelid. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around and then down. Let's go to the bottom right side, draw a smaller circle. And then we're going to fill the inside of the pupils in black, and we're going to go around those highlights. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the nose. We start with a curve along the top. We're going to go up and then down. From the end, let's bend this down in towards the center point. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's add a couple freckles along the top. We're going to start with 2 points along the bottom, go up in the middle, and add one more. Now let's add in that large smile. We're going to start from the outside of the left eye, step out. Let's curve the mouth, coming down, go across the middle, and then bend that up on the outside. Let's add some sharp teeth. We're going to start right in the center. Start with one coming down, and then pull that up towards the left. Go back to the center, come down, and then up towards the right. Now I want to continue to add these teeth going all the way around towards the outside of the mouth. So I'm going to start with the left side. Just adding these points. So just added 4 teeth along this side. Let's add 4 on the right. We're going to add those same freckles around the corners of the mouth. Start with 2 points and then 1 along the top. Now I'm going to draw the inside edge of the mask. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now I'm going to curve this down and across towards the left. Going above the eyelid. And we'll bend that out, go back to the center, coming down, and then out towards the right. Now we want to create a fold. From the outside, let's step in. Just going to curve this all the way around the mouth, in towards the center. Now you want to work our way back up towards the right side, going all the way around those teeth. And I'll just tuck that in. Now let's draw the outside of the head. From this point, we're going to step all the way out. Just going to trace the head, coming down. And I want to bend that in, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go all the way over towards the right. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to come down, across, and then in. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the top half of the head. So we're going to go up, let's round up the head. Now we're going to come across and then back down towards the right side. Now on either side, we're going to draw 2 small circles for Pikachu's eyes. So let's start with the left. Start from the very top. We're going to go all the way around and then back up. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Along the top of each eye, add a smaller circle for a highlight. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now let's move to the center and draw on Pikachu's nose. We're going to start with a small oval and fill that in black. In the center, we're going to step down, draw in the mouth. Starting with the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the center, coming down and up towards the right. Let's move down and out towards the side and draw two slightly larger circles for the cheeks. Let's start with the one on the left. Again, starting from the very top, we're going to go all the way around, and then bend that back up towards the top, and then we'll line that up on the right. Coming all the way around, and then back up. Now let's go all the way up to the top and add the ears, leaving a gap in the center. Let's move over towards the left. We're going to go up, and then out. Move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to round up the tip of the ears, come all the way around the outside, and then down on top of the head. Let's separate the tip of the ears. From the inside, bend this out, and then down. Then we want to line this up on the right, do the same thing, and then we'll fill the tips of the ears in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, just underneath the head. Let's bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go over towards the right side. Do the same thing coming down towards the same height. Let's move to the center, step down, add a curve coming down and then up. And we'll leave a gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left. We're going to bend the leg, going around and then down towards the bottom. And do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the legs. Going up toward the left, and then the right. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and curve the outside of the leg. Let's go out, and then bend that down towards the bottom. Now with the legs in place, we're going to tuck the toes in underneath. Starting from the outside corner, we're going to come down an angle, and then pull that up to create a point. Let's add 2 more toes. Now we're going to do that over on the right side in the opposite direction. Now let's go back to the side of the body and draw in the arms. We'll start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, we want to bend the arm, coming down and then out towards the wrist. Let's line it up on the right and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb with a small half circle. Close the end off with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down, we're just going to layer the second finger in behind, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and then pull that up towards the outside of the wrist. Let's close off the wrist with a curve. From the outside, we're going to bend this up and then down towards the inside. Let's draw the outside of the arms. Start from the outside, bend this up, and just tuck that in underneath the head. Now we want to finish off by adding the tail over on the right side. Let's start with the top. Start from the outside of the arm. I'm going to bend this out and then down. Angle this down and in. I'm just going to bend this in behind the arm. I just want to continue this in between the hand and the hip. So we're going to come down and in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Pikachu Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.